With the Kindle Fire setting the US market ablaze with its low price point and media-centric format, TechRadar is already looking ahead to see what will be kindling our interest about its successor. For a start, we're not expecting a big gap before we see the next generation device. There's not even a guarantee that the original Kindle Fire will make it to big international markets like the UK, especially with talk that the Kindle Fire 2 may be arriving next spring. The next big question is whether Amazon will be prepared to take on Apple's iPad more directly with a bigger screen. Back in May, there was plenty of talk about two devices, one of which was the current Kindle Fire, and a second, as yet unannounced, bigger version codenamed Hollywood. If it does prove to be a premium tablet, then we could see juicy additions like a flaming fast quad-core Tegra 3 processor and bigger screen. But be aware, Amazon may be ready to subsidise a tablet with the current specs, but something boasting cutting-edge tablet tech is likely to be significantly more expensive. One thing we can say with a fair degree of certainty is that it will again be based on Android. This is to take advantage of Amazon's current App Store and is likely to support an almost identical interface. This means, of course, one-click shopping for films, TV series, apps and books. In fact, you won't ever be too far away from spending cash in Amazon's virtual stores. Another thing we'd expect from the Kindle Fire 2 is that it probably won't be called the Kindle Fire 2. Why? Because the last thing Amazon would want to do is tell the early adopters of the first device that it's obsolete, especially if it's launched just months from now. The last rumour worth mentioning is that many are suggesting that the Kindle Fire's hot successor is a tablet Amazon wanted to put out in 2011 but just couldn't get finished in time. And that, we hope, means that it will be available across the globe and not just setting the US market alight.